How y'all doing? Thanks for coming to my page, not the page, my page. Alright, my name is Mac the Tool Guy. Today I want to talk to you about Wera Impaktor 1, 30 pieces. It's got Phillips head, posi drive, hexagon, Torx, made by Wera, not Wera, it's Wera, German. These were made in Czech Republic, and these bits are excellent. They are the best bits I've ever used. I've used a lot. As you can see, you know, I can name any name brands, or I'm not even gonna get into all this stuff, but yeah, I've used a lot of bits. But these ones are, I can't even tell which ones I've used. I've been using these things for about a year now. And they're smart. They don't give you one of each or a bunch of ones you won't use. They give you extras of the Phillip head 2s, extra of the T25s. You know, they give you a little less of the ones you don't use, but multiples of every single one of them. And the diamond coating actually bites into the screw. It's I don't know, really good process. It hardens it, obviously, and it bites into the screw. You got to use them to really understand what I mean. And these kits, you know, they click together, they're handy dandy, all that, but these ones you can just put in your pocket. Other ones, you can't do that. You can't put in your pocket. And these ones, bit check, because it has numbers, makes it color coded, makes it real easy just to pick them out. You know how it is when you're working. You don't got time for all that stuff. Dark, everything else. And the best part, or one of the best parts here, is the bit holder that comes with it. And got your little presentation. There you go. Alright, so this Impaktor, I'm using a Phillips head 2. I'm from the United States. Everyone's using Phillips head 2. Alright, so you could use it like this. It's got a really strong magnet, but it also has the magnetic ring. So you pop it out and it holds onto the screw where just enough of that bit comes out. I don't know if y'all can see, but enough of it comes out so you can hold the screw, right? Or if you're doing some tighter work where there's metal around, you don't want that to happen, what you do is you click this in, and they say it kind of neutralizes the magnet, so it's not in your work area. And these are amazing. I mean, like, amazing. There's nothing like the Wera bits. I've used some of the other products. They're all great. I'm going to do some other tool reviews. This is my first video, so y'all can probably tell. Mac the Tool Guy. I'm going to be doing a lot of tool reviews. I'm going to do some tool demonstrations. I'm not going to do a demonstration with these because y'all know how bits work, and you guys know YouTube. I could sit here and have it do 5,000 inch-pounds of torque through steel and everything else, and using another bit, 20 different bits, they're all breaking. That wouldn't be the case with these, but I'm not going to. You guys can judge for yourself. Take my word for it or not. It won't matter to me. Just kind of excited about these bits, I guess. It's stupid, but yeah. Want to share them? Thanks, y'all. Like the page, subscribe. Y'all have a good one. Here's the Wera Impaktor BC30 Impaktor 1. Phillips head, posi drive, hexagonal, multiple shapes, and torque. As you see here, it's a much smaller than the usual ones. Fit in your pocket. If you're one of those guys that wears a shirt pocket, you can pop it in there. Color coded. It's got the little presentation, really easy. I can't even tell the ones I've used. I've been using this thing a year. Diamond coated, impact proof, ring magnet. I've already said all this. I want you guys to see it up close real quick. You know, quality. Check out the back. Yeah. Alright guys, give me a thumbs up or subscribe. More stuff coming soon. Mac the Tool Guy.